How to turn on live view in Google Maps. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Maps on your device. Make sure you're logged in to your account in Google Maps. After that, click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on your profile, you'll find all these options. In here, scroll down and click on Settings. After you've clicked on Settings, it will lead you to this page. Here, click on Navigation after scrolling. After you've clicked on Navigation, you'll find all these options. In here, scroll down and you will find Live View option. Simply click on it to turn it on. Make sure the circle is on the right side. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to turn on Live View in Google Maps. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.